This is the project demonstration video for Jeevdhara Blood Bank Connect app. Let me present you the features of the app. The first is the OTP login. The first step after installation of app is OTP login. New users as well as registered users have to undergo this process. Registered users will be directed to login screen, whereas new users will be directed to registration screen. Next is seamless registration. The registration process of the app is quite simple. Firstly, enter your details and select your preferred branch. Then set up your PIN and password. Only password with at least one lowercase, one uppercase, one digit and one special symbol will be accepted. Also, length of password should be minimum 8 characters. We have also implemented PIN security feature in the registration. After that, it will be redirected to login screen and your account will be created. We have created a modern and user-friendly UI with the help of latest designing software. Moving on to maps and directions, we have implemented map feature in our app where user can select their desired branch, then click on direction icon and it will move on to Google Maps where it will route you to the desired location. Next is app offline detection. App detects itself whenever you get disconnected from internet and stop all activities and prompts you. We have also implemented correct date and time detection in the app. We have also built a profile system where users have rights to change only their name, date of birth and preferred branch. On Donate Blood, you can schedule your appointment in your preferred blood bank at the interval of 60 days, and if your last donation for RBC or 7 days for last donation of plasma. After you schedule an appointment, Days Tracker feature will activate, wherein your donation will be locked for the interval duration. The receive blood feature is only available to ask blood out for other people. We usually prompt here with smaller form which contains most of the information detailed. The detailed form filling will be taken at later stage by authorities. We have also implemented an emergency service for the patients in the critical stage. Blood report. After a successful blood donation, the authorities will provide you with a blood report which describes about vital constituents in your blood. We have also implemented blood donation facts page wherein you can read about various facts about blood donation. Also, information regarding various eligibility is described under who can or cannot donate section. Now, one-click contact section. By clicking on a phone number or an email or a web link, the app will redirect you to the corresponding app. This implementation is all over the app. We have also created About Founders page wherein blood organization can enter their details, and also a feedback system with rating support and also with an emoji support. Thank you.